What's happening, everyone? I'm Justin, lead designer, owner of Black Bear Creative, and today we're going to do a project breakdown of our Wheels Valet brand identity project. Alright, so hopefully I can get through this without getting any emails, phone calls. I'm trying my best. Like with any brand identity project, we sit down with the client, define their goals of the project, and in this case they were to assist the client to create a brand identity that would position them as a professional, reliable, safe solution for customers that are unable to transport their vehicle due to lack of time, unfortunate events, and unsatisfactory service from loan cars and rideshare companies. So the second goal was to further build momentum and help try and increase the number of users by making the business and the brand more enticing to franchisees. I think that's how you say franchisees and event organizers. They also needed assistance to create a consistent brand identity system that can be applied across all forms of media, whether that's print, web, you name it. So our solution, by collaborating with Wheels Valet, we're able to define their brand attributes and build a clear message of Convenient Valet Solutions, which was a little nifty tagline that we came up with for the client. This positioned their business in their own unique product category, and we wanted to use this as the main point of difference. As a result, any possible franchisees, regular customers, or event organizers can now see the value of the brand, visually at least. So instead of the customer, the event organizer, or the franchisee having a negative experience due to no logo, no clear messaging, no clear story of what the company is or what they're about, we created a foundation that can be applied across all their important touch points, such as their website and all the other marketing collateral. So once we defined their brand, we developed a new brand identity system that focused on their core values of professionalism, clarity, safety, convenience, and premium service. As this logo will be the first thing, a possible customer may come into contact with, we designed the logo to be simple, modern, clean, and easily recognizable. The brand identity can be further simplified by using just the logo mark itself, and this comes in handy when you want to apply it to small spaces such as app icons and other online platforms such as social media profiles and stuff like that. The style guide document also ensures that the brand message is consistent and helps event organizers know how to properly apply the brand identity in their own marketing material. So that sums up the brand identity project. If you have any questions, hit us up in the comments below or email us at info@blackbearcreative.com.au. If you want to see more branding and design goodness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new upcoming videos. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.